In the last segment, we watched the countercurrent mechanism. We learned the countercurrent mechanism, the first important component of making concentrated urine. The second important component which is required for the formation of concentrated urine, that is role of ADH, that we are going to describe in this video. So let's watch. So what is the role of ADH in urine concentration? What it does? It makes the water retention through increased permeability of water in late DCT and collecting duct cells. At cellular level, what it does? It binds to V2 receptor, which makes the activation of cyclic AMP, which acts as second messenger, and activation of cyclic AMP will activate the protein kinase. Activation of protein kinase will do the opening of aquaporin 2. AQP is aquaporin 2 on the luminal side. So movement of aquaporin 2 on the luminal side, that means ये जो आपका epithelial cells है, ये epithelial cells यहाँ पे जो है ये आपका lumen है. This is the lumen. Lumen में है fluid. As ADH comes, it binds to its receptors. यहाँ पे क्या है? Vesicles हैं, और इन vesicles में what is present here? Here the material of aquaporin is synthesized and it is present, stored here. तो जैसे ही ADH आके बाइंड किया, ये वेसिकल्स आके सेल मेम्ब्रेन से जाके अटैच हो जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ये अपना अपना चैनल ओपन कर देते हैं. So as this vesicle comes here, the channel will open. And what type of channel? Aquaporin 2 will open. Aquaporin 2 on the luminal side. This is the luminal side. So here the aquaporin 2 will be situated. As the aquaporins are open, water will enter in, and here it will enter out in the interstitium because it follows the direction of the concentration. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज रखी है मैंने, aquaporin 3 and 4. Aquaporin 3 and 4 are present on the basolateral side, which is towards the interstitium. यहाँ पे aquaporin 3 and 4 है. Aquaporin 3 and 4 की खासियत ये है कि इसको ADH की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. जैसे ही पानी इधर से इधर रीअब्सॉर्ब होगा, it will come out in the interstitium through aquaporin 3 and 4. टारगेट सेल कौन है ADH के? Late distal and collecting duct cells. So this is how ADH is working. So in connection with medullary hyperosmolarity and ADH, these two things are working for making the urine concentrated. So अगर ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो ये सारा आपके पास होना चाहिए आपके आंसर में.